I was sent this really easy to install 8x10 anti-fog shower mirror. So this one is the larger size. You can also get it in a 6x8 and super simple. It just comes with like the little sticky right here. So I just peeled that off. I kind of found the height that I was looking for, and you've got that little hole, and then you can add this here. They also give you one of these, and it's like a little sticker, and you can stick it underneath here if you want to, or literally you can stick it wherever you want. And then this is going to be for your razor. Your razor, sorry, goes like this, and then you'll have it there. So I personally already have a little spot for my razor, so I'm not going to put this on there, but I do think that it is a great addition. And as you can see in the B-roll here, I've left the hot water running for a little while, and it is not fogging up at all. So I think that's really great. Obviously, if you're using this, let's say for example, like maybe if my husband were using this while he's shaving, of course you don't want the mirror to get all foggy. Me personally, I just kind of like to shower and sing at myself in the mirror. But yeah, I think this is really great. I love how easy it was to install, and it is so light as well.